Hello guys, I'm Krishna and today I welcome you all on Yahoo CSI Campus Report of Vit-Ap University. And I hope you all guys are in your campus right now. And I'll just start with the easy topic today and let's continue with the same as tomorrow. So today we are gonna cover a topic. It is a basic Java topic which is class overloading, not class method overloading. So it is very important method and you will be dealing with it in your real-time project. So I'll just start off very quickly. I'll just create a method and I'm gonna overload it. Let's say it has public visibility and it is of static type. We return void. I can declare it is dot. It's gonna be in this position. So and let's say it has overloaded something or system type. So it is also on this get object and just print out the object. Let me create one more method of the same type. And let's say it is taking integer as input. Let's say I and it just prints out Java integer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call this function from my main method. Let's say do it and let me pass a parameter with it. Let's say it is null. So you try to figure out what should be the output. Just take your time. It is very simple one. And comment your answer in the comment section. Okay, let's take a look at the output. So you can see that Visual Studio Code is already showing me some error. Let me just proceed with it. And it has an exception, which is the method point string is ambiguous for the type text. So what is it? So the keyword null, it represents like the string as well as integer. Like integer, when there nothing is there, then it just assigns the value of integer as null, and string same as for string. But if we do is like, if we take a closer look at it, I have written integer, not int. So what is it? So Java has a class which is integer, and it is present in the Java util package, and you don't need to import it. It's like the string. String is also a class. It is not like data type in Java. And similarly, integer, it is a class, not a data type. When we write integer, like completely, not int. If we do it like write int, you may see like it will work absolutely fine. It is going Java string. And coming to this null, we know it is not an object. We are not passing any object in it. Null, it is either string or integer, not data type, but the class, it is of the class string as well as integer. So that's why JVM gets confused how to interpret it. So that's why it's throws an error. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If not, you can just rewind the video, take another look at it. If you still have any doubt, just ask us in the comment section. And till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.